Delta Lima AR pistol, my Bushmaster Carbon 15, full in AR. Come to y'all because I actually have a video to make about my new pickup. I got a Pro Mag 65 round AR-15 223 5.56 drum, and I was curious to see if it'll fit in both of my ARs. At first, I had trouble trying to fit it in my full length, and basically, after I read a couple reviews and instructions, basically you got to decompress the mag release to get it in, and it fits in just fine. So that's how it looks. Dope. Can't wait to take that to the round, let that rip. And then as far as my AR pistol, drop the mag on my 20 round. And for this one, it's actually stiff in the mag well. So you actually have to give it a little bit of muscle to put it in there. And this how this one look. So this one actually looks way better than the full length. So I can't wait to take that one. And then as far as dropping this out, you really can't drop it out. So you have to basically yank it out. That's the only thing I hate about that. They're just tight for the AR pistol. So all my guns have been reloaded. I don't have any live mags in my ARs right now. So, well, this mag is loaded, but I ain't gonna insert this into the gun. But as far as right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to load some of my brass case ammo in this magazine, this drum magazine. I actually think it did come with a speed loader of some sort. So I'm gonna use the speed loader a little bit. So here we go. I'm gonna turn it one time, insert it, and turn it. So basically, I have one bullet in there, one shell in there. So let me find some more shells and let me load this up. I'm gonna at least put about 20 in the mag and let it sit. Yeah, man. So I just put 20 rounds of 5.56 in that 20 round mag for my AR pistol. Checking all my magazines. Got some steel case ammo in that one. Put that in the range bag. AR carry bags and pouches. It's the 5.56 ammo I actually found back when ammo wasn't really that scarce. I wish I would have picked up more. It's another mag with some rounds in it. It's not filled up. Probably about 20 rounds in each mag. I really never filled my mags all the way to capacity. I feel like they be jamming or whatever. Or I don't know. I just don't want no failure to feed. Sometimes they be hard to load into the gun when they fully filled to capacity. So I'm actually about to try and load up some ammo in this drum, the 65 round drum. So I'm basically just getting everything situated. And I'm gonna mix it up. I got 223 at the bottom, 1 2 2 3. This is a 5.56 round. Well, I actually may put this 5.56 round in one of these little mags. Fix the lighters. Basically, what I'm gonna load in here is some Perfecta steel case. I mean, brass ammo. I got this ammo probably about 4 or 5 years ago. I just kept it in the safe. So it's actually a box of 50. I'm going to actually load these in the magazine, the drum mag. For the AR, they're actually 223s. I prefer 223s. I actually just started, when I got my AR pistol is when I tried to start finding 5.56. So probably gonna fill it up halfway, put about 35 rounds in it. My wife actually purchased these for me for a gift. But she gave me the money. I told her I wanted some drums, and she was like, "Get you some for all your pistols." Well, she actually bought me one for the ARs, and I was like, I might as well get one for the AK too. I've been wanting drum magazines, and actually after that, I think I'm gonna buy any more magazines. I think I'm straight when it comes to magazines. Now I'm gonna start focusing on building my ammo collection back up. Even though ammo is scarce right now, any little 223 ammo, 7.62 ammo I can pick up, I'm gonna pick it up just so I can have a lot of ammo for when I get ready to go to the range. And basically, when that happens, I'll be good to go. So I think I have about 15 more to go to make it 35 rounds. In this 65 round drum, 223 5.56. Probably gonna get me a membership this year to the range when it warm up. Maybe. So I can go. But I gotta find ammo first. 5 more rounds to go. And this drum magazine gonna be pretty much filled halfway with 35 rounds. So last round going in. So y'all can see. Last round. And it's kind of heavy. About 35 rounds in here. I can fit about 30 more. Like I said, it's a 65 round mag. So, with that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. I might make some updated videos to show y'all how they function when I get to the range. Until then, y'all stay safe. Peace.